Hello friends, how are you guys? I'm doing well, and today we have my 2019 planner lineup. So my craft room is a disaster. My life has been crazy, but I told you guys I want to do this as a reveal, so here's the reveal. So we'll start out with the planner that a lot of you may already know. I did kind of stop using it early in the year in 2018 just because I got burnt out, I guess. I don't even know. Oh, I don't have my nails done because I'm doing end of year filing at work. So I don't want them to get crunched and then hurt myself. So I just have clear coat on. But this is the Recollections personal planner. I have some printable inserts from, they're undated. Who are these from? Stick With Me shop, like a long time ago. If you go to her channel and go way back to some of her personal planner videos, like 2 or 3 years ago, she has a drop box with these inserts in there. So I don't know if I'm gonna start out using these, but I might switch to maybe a Jacinia printables or something like that. I have these printables, which I think, yeah, so these with the monthly thing was from Wonderful.com. I think these were as well, but those will have to come out because, yeah. And then I just have the to-do lined and grid of the Recollections in here. And then just one of the Recollections plastic dividers just to keep as a lifter. But yeah, so I have some work to do on this planner, but I really like it, and I really like using it as kind of a rewind, kind of like a highlight planner, like just a memory planner. So that's what I'm going to continue to do with it, and it's held up amazing. I've had it for a couple of years, so I don't carry this one anywhere, but other than some wear on the gold and the hardware, which you can kind of see it right there. There's a little bit of wear where it's worn off, but other than that, the planner's great. The rings are still tight. They're a little worn as far as the finish, but not bad at all. So that will be for rewinds. And then I just got this, so we'll haul this as well. I was at Office Depot and I saw this little kit. It was on clearance. There is the barcode if you guys want it, but it's just basically a little planner set. I think it's more geared towards somebody that somebody that needs this for work. I don't need it for work. But I do need something for bills because I don't, sorry, I'm just throwing away the packaging. I did not, it's like a canvas with the gold 2019 on it. The whole thing was like $9.50 or $10, I think. But I don't want to keep my bills like somewhere else because I want something that if I need to grab it when I'm running out the door to work and like pay some bills during the day, it's like literally this will fit right in my purse. But I didn't want one of those little monthly calendars. I still wanted something weekly. So this is from Office Depot. This is from their brand. It is that like linen-y, canvasy material with the gold brushstroke 2019 on it. Let me zoom you guys in just a bit. Let me see about size here. Hold on. So it is about the same width as the Recollections planner, personal planner, but it is taller. So just for comparison, if I want to take these inserts out and put them in something, I probably could. But anyway, let me zoom you back in here just a wee bit. We'll get into the other goodies in a second. So we just have a bound planner. You have a 2019-2020 overview, and then like personal info, dates to remember, some goals. Like I'm going to use these as financial goals, like what credit cards I want to pay off and things like that. After my husband's surgery in November, it feels like life just spiraled out of control. And you know, we had to rely on, you know, other means to make ends meet. So the monthly spread is a 2-page spread. It's very nice. You still have a little teeny tiny note section, a look back and a look forward. So that's really good for bills. You do have any holidays that fall, and this is a Sunday to Saturday setup. So that's going to be hard to get, I wouldn't say hard to get used to. I just got to pay attention to it when I'm planning. And then it is a horizontal setup with no lines or anything. The paper, I'd say it's a little heavier than copy paper. It's nothing fancy. This is a stitched bound planner. And then you have a bookmark, which is a piece of ribbon. And then it literally just jumps month to month. They do have the little sections cut out. I am going to decorate this a little bit because I'm neurotic, and I know if I don't make an effort to decorate it that I won't use it. So I will probably use washi, maybe some seasonal type like Michael's stickers. But so this goes all the way through the end of December in 2019. And then in the back you have names and address contacts, which is really good because there's a couple of times where I was like, I want to send out a Christmas card to some of my YouTube friends, and I didn't have their addresses handy, and therefore I had to come home, and I needed to do that at home, and I never got it done. So I still have Christmas cards here for people that I was going to do. This password tracker I'm not going to use. I'll probably just, well, I might use it because this is for bills, but I might use this for like the sticker websites. You never know. Gift tracker, which is really nice for a financial planner. We do have a wedding coming up this year that we're invited to and things like that, so that could be nice. And then the rest of this is just lined paper with notes. And then we do have an important dates back here, which is on a piece of cardstock. And then a time zone, an area code map. And that's it. It's just very simple. It's not too thick. And I feel like this will be good for bills. And then if for some reason my husband needs to look or pay something because I'm out of commission, which does happen sometimes, he can just grab this and look, and it's hot pink, so he's not, I mean, it's not hot pink, it's just a bright pink. So if I leave this on the computer desk, he's gonna know if I say, hey, go get the pink book with 2019 on the front and tell me what bills need to be paid. So what also came in this little bundle was this little set of like notes things. So we got a generic gold ballpoint pen. I mean, it's nothing fancy. It's actually really lightweight and flimsy. I might take it to work and use it. And then we got just a little notepad here, which is, yeah, it's just regular little notepad. Throw that away. Oh, this is sealed in plastic separately, okay. And then a notebook, which I kind of wish that the little planner was was coiled like this one. My camera light is flashing at me, so I should probably hurry. Oh my goodness, come out. Oh my gosh. But this is just a hardbound. I mean, this is really nice. And honestly, the paper inside this notebook is nicer than what's in the little planner. So I do wish this had the planner in it. So there's that. And before my camera cuts me off, this year I'm going to be using a Recollections vertical planner. And this is the one that I got. I did get it online. Oops, there's my receipt. I did get it online over the Cyber Monday weekend, whatever, but you guys have seen Recollections planners. They're pretty much like Erin Condren's. Their stickers are in the front, that kind of stuff. We got a folder in the front, and then just a really, I mean, clean layout. And then you have the vertical things. So you'll be seeing all these planners on my channel going to work. I do have some high hopes for 2019 and getting my channel rolling again, so we'll see how that goes. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, subscribe if you're not already, and I'll talk to you again really soon. Much love to all of you, and bye for now.